Hello kids! Today we will be learning the sound of I. The I sound of I. It, I, T, it and ig. I, G, ig. Let's start with the I sound of I. It, I, T, it. Now look and listen and say the word. Lip, lip. Let's spell the word. L I P. Lip, lip. Sip, sip. Let's spell the word. S I P. Sip, sip. Zip, zip. Let's spell the word. Z I P. Zip, zip. Dip, dip. Let's spell the word. D I P. Dip, dip. Great! These are the I sound of I. It, it. Let's say the word 2 times each. Start. Lip, lip. Sip, sip. Zip, zip. Dip, dip. Great! Now the I sound of I. Ig. I, G, ig. Ig. Now look and listen and say the word. Big, big. Let's spell the word. B I G. Big, big. Pig, pig. Let's spell the word. P I G. Pig, pig. Dig, dig. Let's spell the word. D I G. Dig, dig. These are the I sound of I. Ig, ig. Let's say the word 2 times each. Ready? Start. Big, big. Dig, dig. Pig, pig. Good job, everyone!